Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, we'll go ahead and show you on how you can fix Streamlabs alert not working. Now there are multiple ways on why this is happening. As you can see right here, there's multiple fixes that you can go ahead and do. But the first thing that you want to do to go ahead and quickly solve this is to go ahead and reset your API token. Now, please take note that doing this will require you to update all of your Streamlabs widgets, URL, and all of your sources. But unfortunately, it is going to be a tedious process. From there, you can also go ahead and clear your cache files in your streaming software. Now, you can just go ahead and follow these instructions. So you can basically do that by hitting the window or key on your button, which is going to run the program right here. Just go ahead and navigate through the app data, navigate through the OBS browser, and from there you then want to reset your cache and clear the data. Now you can also go ahead and basically make sure to go ahead and log out of your Streamlabs account right here, and from there you then want to log it back on, and that can also go ahead and fix the problem. Now if not, you just want to navigate through their official website about alerts and troubleshooting. Now from there, hopefully this problem has been fixed. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.